Alrighty, welcome back. Gonna do set number 2, Rise of the Floodborn. So this is only the second box I opened. I just did the first box a little bit ago, or the first set rather, which was my first box ever. Got some pretty good cards. Definitely things I needed, so I'm looking for a couple more things, and then hopefully I only need a few cards to finish the deck. I'm trying to build a amber steel deck. I don't know the name of it, but pretty much the song one with the surfer stitch and all that good stuff. Lanterns. Possibly make it with the whistle, I believe. Is that what it's called? The flute? No, the flute, I think. We're gonna try different variations of it. So I'm gonna get most of the cards for both variations and try it out and see which one I like. All right, so let's get into this. This one seems a little harder. So here I'm looking for the beast and all the goodies that some of those decks, the Benja already have. Just don't really need Benjas. There we go, Sleepy's Flute. Keep the foils over there. Let's separate these. So looked up the rarities. So common, uncommon, rare. I'll keep it like that for now. I'll figure out what cards I need later. So yeah, I'm really enjoying the game. It's a lot of fun. I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you're playing the game. If you're not, definitely give it a shot. It is definitely different and a lot of fun. So I really enjoy it. Oh, nice. Foil legendary Mufasa. It's pretty cool. Not bad. I'll take it. Any foil legendaries, definitely a hit. Jafar. So uncommons. Super rares, right? That's what they're called. Nice. It's a nice hit. Card's gone down in price, but that's fine. It's still a good card. Might build a deck with that. So not bad. The foil over there, although it's a shame to cover up this beautiful Mufasa, but you know, let's just keep him right there. Let's see. I really do want a beast or two. Would be nice. Last box I got 2 Rapunzels, a foil one. So that's those are nice hits. I think their foil one's about a $40 card. The non-foil is about 30 something. So Nick Wilde. Some of the Nick Wilde for that popsicle deck. Oh, there we go. Another Mufasa, not non-foil. I don't know what decks are running that, but maybe figure something out with those. Or trade them for some of the cards I need. Magic Broom. Uncommon. There's another good good card, especially with the Arthur. Super rare in the foil. So yeah, we're doing, so this Saturday we're playing, which is Christmas Eve, I guess. And then on the 30th of December, and I'm sure when I'll post this, but we're actually doing a draft, a Lorcana draft at the local game store. So, oh, Pinocchio. I think that's a card that's heavily played in some decks, so not bad. So yeah, we're gonna do a draft, so that's gonna be interesting. I'm not really a fan of draft. I prefer Goofy. I kind of prefer to do sealed, where you know you kind of keep your deck, your cards, and build with your packs instead of picking a card. And I don't know. To me, it's just making that decision right there. I know some people love to draft. I'm not a fan of it. I'm bad enough with sealed, where I get time to look at my own cards. I don't. I'm not that good at trying to figure out what to take in a pack and build a deck that way. So I don't know, but I'm gonna give it a shot because why not? It'll be fun. So that'll be in a week from tomorrow, from when I'm filming this. So can't wait to do that. Popsicle. Keep all the rarities separate. Pretty good card. It's also played in some decks, so not bad, not bad. Then the Sword in the Stone. All right, that was that right side. I'll go on the center. Not the beast I'm looking for. Mulan. Queen. That is a queen I'm looking for. Gruesome and Graham. Be nice to get another queen or so. Snow White. Huntsman. And Basil. Cool card. Winnie the Pooh. Cogsworth. Maybe I need to make a dwarf deck. Getting all these dwarfs. Oh, nice. So Alice. I'm not sure if that's a good card or not. I'm assuming it's a legendary, so I would assume most legendaries are pretty good. Oh, another queen I need. Jafar. That's so cool. I love snakes, so it's a really cool card. Strength of Raging Fire. I think I need that, so. Cheshire, right? Is that how you say it? I'm horrible at saying that. Dr. Facilier. I don't know that I've seen that one, the green one. I played against the red one today, so. Oh, kicked my butt. Kicked my butt. Kept, I was pretty much playing catch up, so I was trying to clear the board, kept clearing it, and it just kept putting all his things that I would banish into his hand, my buddy's hand, and then he's just bring them back out next turn, so yeah. So that was a pain in the butt. Bell. Go the distance. Alright. 2 more packs for the center. Let's see. Mulan. Another popsicle. Magic broom. Lawrence. Bucky. Isma. Another Merlin rabbit. Beast. Still not the beast I'm looking for. Dang it. It's a shame. Well, you know, what can I say? I don't know that I'll get any. I mean, it's assuming there's a reason it's I think it's a legendary. For a reason it's a $30 card. Hasn't really gone down too much, right? So I don't know. Here's hoping. I need that card. Let the storm rage on, so I'll take that. Another dwarf here. Teeth and Ambition, Snow White. I've played with this one, so I'm not sure. I think. Oh no. Yeah, because I did do a dwarf deck. It wasn't my deck, so she's the one that you play with all the dwarfs, so that's why I know. That's why she looks familiar. And speaking of more dwarfs, all right, another popsicle. Let the storm rage on. I need that. Another Snow White. Don't need that for now, but you never know. Honest John. Hercules. And a Queen of Hearts. All right. Left side now, right? So far, I mean, it'd be nice to get some of the cards, some more cards that I need. Some of the big cards. Like I said, the Beast would be nice. But I don't know that I'm gonna get it. It's not looking like it. Which kind of sucks. I mean, some like some of the decks, depending on, you know, and obviously I would like to get 4 copies, but I've seen a few decks. I've seen them. I think some have ran none, and then as low as 1, or obviously none is lower, but as low as 1, I think up to 4. Yeah, you see a lot of different variations. They'll run like 2 or 3. So I don't know. I kind of rather not. It's such a good card, I guess. That's why people are running it. So we'll see how many I decide to run. I don't know. It'd be nice to at least pull one though. Minnie Mouse. Queen of Hearts. And Kronk. 3 packs left. Not looking like I'm gonna get what I need. Although I would definitely take an enchanted card, obviously. Two packs left. I guess some magic for our last packs. Be nice. Isma, it's a card played, so Queen of Hearts. Dang it. Not the beast I'm looking for. Last pack, come on. Come on. Give me a beast. Give me an enchanted. I doubt an enchanted, but come on. Oh. Is that the Arthur that's $11? Well, it's I don't know what it is in foil, but I guess I'll take it. All right. So a couple super rares, nothing major. So for the other Arthur, so. And then, let's see, the legendaries. Can't remember if I had another legendary in there. So legendary hits. If I was looking for Mufasa, then this would definitely be good. So foil one. Not sure what he's going for. And then all the foils here. So Arthur, obviously. White. All right, folks, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you don't mind, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I do appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by and watching my videos. And I hope you're having a great Christmas, New Year's, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. Enjoy it. If you've already celebrated, I hope it went well. And yeah, thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Appreciate you.